Hello guys, R.J.S vlogs. Go check out my main channel, R.J.S. At Club Scouts, whatever, I had that today. Well, the teacher said I could go hide this in the fridge, so that's what I'm gonna do. And people bet me to do this on YouTube, on my vlogs channel. So I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna pause right here and do it. Mom, the light wouldn't turn on in the refrigerator.
Oh.
Yeah, can you check it out and see what's going on?
No, there's nothing I can do.
Okay.
Okay.
So I had to set up an excuse. So what I'm going to do is tape the light. Excuses are not working. I said to get some cereal and get the milk out for me, but it wouldn't work.